What is up, you guys? My name is Gabrielle Tongol, but you can call me Gabs, and today we are making some high protein muffins using the Loose Protein Muffin mix. Super easy to do, super simple, and very quick as well, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it from start to finish. So for today, I'm going to be using the vanilla mix as my base, and I'm going to make a London Fog flavor. So to do that, we have to steep some tea. So we're going to use 4 tea bags, and we're going to steep that for a few minutes, and then we will carry on to the next step. All right, so to steep the tea, what we're going to do is actually take the leaves out of the tea bag. You could absolutely just get loose leaves as it is if you are going out to buy the tea, but we're using some that are already in its bag, and then you just drop it into the warm cup of water and just let that steep for a little bit. All right, you guys, so while the tea is steeping, we are going to mix the rest of the ingredients. Super simple. All we need is a bag of the Loose Protein Muffin mix in vanilla, and then we need 2/3 of a cup of unsweetened applesauce. Just so you guys know, if you guys get these little packages from the grocery store, 2 of these equals 2/3 of a cup. Or if you guys have the bulk jar like this one, you can obviously just measure out the 2/3. So we're going to do that, and then we also need a spoon of olive oil, which we're going to use right here. And then our water is the steep tea. So let's mix all of that together. All right, you guys, so we have mixed up all of our ingredients for today's muffins. Literally, it was just those 4 ingredients. If you guys are like me, the least amount of steps possible, the better. So this is our batter here. And now we're going to pour it into the new Mousse silicone muffin pan. Look at this, you guys. It's silicone. You don't need any oil. You don't need any cupcake liners. And it's super easy to pop out the muffins once they're done. And one more thing, it's marble. We all love marble these days. So yeah, this is their new muffin pan. You guys are going to love it. So let's use this ice cream scooper to scoop in our muffin batter. So that batter was enough to make 12 muffins. We are going to transfer the silicone pan onto a metal baking sheet, just because the silicone can be a little bit flimsy when you're trying to take it in and out with your mittens. So we're going to just put it on the baking sheet, and we're going to pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. These are looking so good, so I've let them cool for a couple minutes, and now I can show you guys how easily they come out of the new silicone pan. So we're just gonna push it out, just like that, and then we're going to just transfer them onto the cooling rack. And there you guys have it, our high protein London Fog Protein Muffins. You guys, these smell incredible. The macros on them are amazing. Super easy to make, very convenient for a quick and go option. Guilt-free, great for pre or post-workout, and naturally sweetened. Guys, if you guys are looking for a calorie-friendly, high-protein, but like super bomb muffin, you guys have to try this recipe that we did today. Make sure to save this video for the next time you guys want to make your own London Fog Protein Muffin.